Hi guys, here I now will show you some of the tool sets I have in my collection, but I have not shared with you information about them. So now I had time and let's show you. First of all, this is a Matador made male torque set. Here you can see it is in the metal box. Matador is a famous German toolmaker, but I don't know surely where does it make the tools now. This set includes the stubby and the long male torques. Here you can see the smallest stubby one. This is TX20. And now let's see the biggest stubby one. It is TX50, and the same story with the long ones. They begin from TX20 and finish to TX50. This is 3/8 drive set. Here you can see the markings and the sizes, also how they look. I think that they look very good for the price I gave for him. They cost me about 35 euros 6 months ago, and now I checked on Amazon D and they cost about 80 euros, so very expensive now, and I had a chance to grab them cheaply and I did it. Here you can see the markings once again, Matador, and the construction of the sockets itself. They look and feel very good in your hand. So 14 sockets in whole, and I have used them on my jobs when I was working on my cars, and they did the job perfectly. Now I will put it on the Hatchet 3/8 drive ratchet and show you how they look when they are mounted on the ratchet. Here is the result, and zero wobbling and very securely fitment, which is very good. Once again, I want to mention that I don't know where the sockets are made today. Definitely they aren't made in Germany, because every German tool have the marking Germany on it, but not a big deal. For the price, it is very good choice, and of course the brand of Matador is very reputable in tool hands, in automotive tools, and that's why I grabbed it, and I'm very happy for my choice now. Let's move on guys now, and I will show you some other new tool which is made by a Stanley division, especially by the DeWalt. Everybody knows that DeWalt is a Stanley division now. Here it is, and it is called 3/8 and a 1/4" socket accessories set, and here you can find all the regular extensions and wobble joints, and also some spark plug sockets for your future works on your automobile or in other situations. It has a plastic box, but very good made box, and quality is very good for the price I gave for it. Here it is the 3" 3 extension, and then we can see the wobble joints, adapters for drill. Here it is, and at least we can see the spark plug sockets, 3 of them, 2 adapters from 1/4" to 3/8 and from 3/8 to 1/4 inch and the 1/4 inch extensions. I gave about 25 or $30 for this set. I think it is still available in Amazon.com, and highly recommend to everyone who wants this type of set to buy this tool. This is not promotion. Everything is based on my personal opinions, and I think that for the price it is great tool. Now I will put this extension on 3/8 DeWalt ratchet and show you how it will look. Let's put it on, and this is the final result. Also a very securely fit and very solid construction with a not expensive price. I must say that I have another extensions in my tools, and they are even more expensive and better brand-made extensions for especially tools. Here they are, England-made tools, which are wobble extensions, Truecraft, Japan-made, and Sanex ones, which have the magnetic tips on it, but I think it is worth every time to invest in extensions, and in such parts or accessories they will let you to keep a lot of time when you are working. Here is the socket for spark plugs. I don't use these DeWalt made sockets for my Mercedes spark plug job. I have the special tool for it. Here is my headset, which is specially made for M112 and M113 engines. When you work on spark plug on them to change the spark plugs, and the socket is simply best solution for it. You know, there is a tight place and regular spark plug will work, but it will cost you a lot of time to do the job. With this proper tool it is very easy. But on my GTI Golf 4 I always use these spark plug sockets to do the job right, and they work very well. They have rubber inside, so they can keep the spark plugs on inside. And at least I will show you now the smallest 1/4 inch extensions. This is the longest one. I have also the wobble 1/4 inch long extension in my collection, which is made by Mac, famous American tool manufacturer, and now I will compare it to DeWalt. The length is the same, but from the first look the DeWalt looks more solid, but every of them is a great tool, and personally I prefer of course Mac because it is made in USA and DeWalt is made in Taiwan. But for the DIYer like me, the DeWalt is a good solution also, and this is the great set for the money it costs now. So guys, it was short video about my new tools I want to show you. Stay tuned and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.